Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Miro webhooks for real-time collaboration automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Miro webhooks for real-time collaboration automations, first, ensure you have a Miro account and access to a board you want to work with. Log into your Miro account and navigate to the board where you want to set up the webhook. Now, go to the Miro developer page by visiting the Miro developer platform. If you haven't already, register as a developer to gain access to the API features. On the developer page, click on Create an App to start setting up your integration. Fill in the required fields such as the name of your app and a brief description. Select the appropriate permissions you need for your app, ensuring it has access to webhook functionalities. Once your app is created, locate the webhooks section in the app configuration menu. Click on Add Webhook to start defining your webhook. In the URL field, enter the endpoint where you want Miro to send the webhook notifications. Choose the events you want to trigger the webhook, such as when a board is created, modified, or deleted. Make sure to provide a name for your webhook to easily identify it later. After filling out the necessary information, click on the Save button to create the webhook. Now, you'll need to implement an endpoint on your server that can handle the incoming webhook notifications. Ensure your server endpoint is accessible over the internet, as Miro will send requests to this URL. Write the code to process incoming requests from Miro, verifying the authenticity of the requests. You can use libraries that support your programming language to handle the incoming JSON payload smoothly. Test your webhook setup by triggering the specified events on your Miro board. Monitor the server logs to confirm that the webhook is being called successfully and that you're receiving the expected data. Once verified, customize your automation workflow based on the data received from the webhook. Make adjustments as necessary to handle different events and ensure your automation runs smoothly. You have now successfully installed and configured Miro webhooks for real-time collaboration automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.